How do we make our environments healthier and more equitable? Usually this work starts with communication. How to communicate the need and the solutions. It's tempting to talk about the causes of a public health problem first, the litany. But research shows that aspirational statements are more likely to facilitate the change that's needed. For example, I work with the CUNY Urban Food Policy Institute and the Healthy CUNY Initiative to help facilitate better food and beverage environments on CUNY campuses for our students. The goal of the communication would be to promote the importance of student-centered food and beverage environments on all our campuses. One problematic way to communicate this is to focus on the problem. Here's what's wrong. Here's who's responsible for the problem. Tell them to stop. Tell them why it's problematic. Finger pointing and accusations usually don't end well. Here's a better option. Before we make change, let's come together and decide what we want. Everybody wants a university environment that cares about its students. Everybody wants a campus environment that encourages student health. Who can disagree with that? Finally, to maximize your impact, bookend your messaging with a solution or a specific call to action for your audience to consider. I like to think about healthier cities and healthier universities, and I like to bring this work into my classes and to my students in the Health Communication for Social Change Master's Degree program here at School of Public Health. Find out more and join us at CUNY SPH.